Happy evening, friends. Thank you for joining today's 7 p.m. Reflection Club. Before we proceed, I suggest you to choose any of these sitting positions: Padmasana, Half Padmasana, Sukhasana, or Vajrasana. If you are not comfort to sit on the floor, you can choose either a stool or a chair. But whatever the position it is, make sure your backbone is completely straight so that you'll have a complete focus and attention. Before we proceed further to our reflection, let's do a gratitude exercise. Let us straighten our hands, reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of everything and everyone who made you happy for today. Starting from sunrise till the sunset. Since you wake up till you closed your eyes. Starting from morning till the evening. Think of everything and everyone with whom you work and who made you happy for them. Let us thank them from the bottom of the heart. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Now slowly release your hands. Come to a Namaskara Mudra. Let's take our Namaskara Mudra on the top of our head to thank our Gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Let us bring down our Namaskara Mudra in front of our abdomen to thank our mother. Matrudevo Bhava. Let us bring our Namaskara Mudra in front of our mouth to thank our father. Pitrudevo Bhava. Let us bring our Namaskara Mudra in front of our forehead to thank our teacher. Acharya Devo Bhava. Let us bring down our Namaskara Mudra in front of our heart to thank everyone else in this world. Athidi Devo Bhava, Raitu Devo Bhava, Sangha Samskarto Devo Bhava. Let us thank our Mother Nature for providing us pure water, pure air, yummy and delicious fruits and vegetables, and beautiful flowers to survive in this world. Let us thank our Mother India for allowing us to stay in this precious land. Let us pray for the peace in this world. Asato ma sargamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining today's reflection. Let us start our reflection. Before we proceed, I suggest you to choose any position where you don't have. Today, I am going to talk about you regarding the reflection. Reflection. It's very essential for every human being for the end of the day before getting into a bed. Reflection is nothing but the mirror. What you did for the day, what you achieved for the day, what you have accomplished for the day. So, always remember, my dear friends, reflection is very essential to recollect, revise, revisit what happened, what you learned, what you thought, what you did, what you felt, and what you achieved. That is what we are going to do here through a simple guided meditation and mindfulness exercises. I request you to sit in a comfortable position or lay down on a bed. Make sure you are in completely relaxed mode and comfortable situation. It is very, very essential for you to be in a calm position where you don't have any disturbances from any other persons or any other places. So make sure you are alone and you don't have any other distraction while doing this exercise. Remember, my dear friends, we are going to do this exercise for next 15 to 20 minutes. So make sure you are in a completely relaxed mode
and you are in a comfortable position. Now, slowly close your eyes. You are focusing only on my voice. You are not getting anything else into your mind. You are listening to only my voice and focusing only on your breath. Inhale and exhale. You can feel the breath. Inhale and exhale. Feel it. Feel the flow of oxygen. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your brain. Your brain is completely filled with oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your brain. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your brain. Your brain is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your eyes. Your eyes are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both eyes. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your eyes. Your eyes are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your nose. Your nose is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your nose. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your nose. Your nose is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your both ears. Your ears are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both ears. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your ears. Now your ears are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Your mouth is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your mouth. Your mouth is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your chin. Your chin is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your chin. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your chin. Now your chin is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your entire face. Your face is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your face. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your face. Now your face is entirely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your neck. Your neck is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your neck. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your neck. Now your neck is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Your shoulders are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your shoulders. Now your shoulders are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your hands. Your hands are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your hands. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your hands. Your hands are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Your fingers are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your fingers. Your fingers are completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Your lungs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your lungs. Now your lungs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your heart. Your heart is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your heart. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your heart. Now your heart is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Your abdomen is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your abdomen. Now your abdomen is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Your backbone is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your backbone. Now your backbone is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Your bottom is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your bottom. Your bottom is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Your thighs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your thighs. Now your thighs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your legs. Your legs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your legs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your legs. Your legs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your feet. Your feet is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your feet. Your feet is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen from the top of your brain till the bottom of your feet. Your entire body is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your entire body from the top of the brain till the bottom of the feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your entire body. Your complete body is fully relaxed. You are fully relaxed. You are feeling as such you are floating in air. Your body is becoming so lightweight. You are feeling as such you are floating on the air, floating on the water, flying in the air. Now visualize a powerful and beautiful wings came behind your hands. With those powerful and beautiful wings, you are flying high, high, high in the sky with the pride, with the accomplishment, with the beauty of the successful completion of this day. Yes, you have completed this day. You are flying high and high and high, where you can see your magical mirror, where you can reflect yourself, where you can reflect your beautiful and accomplished, prideful person in you. Now, look at the beautiful sunrise. Visualize the beautiful sunrise when you woke up. Visualize the first thing which you saw when you open your eyes. Remember the first voice which you heard when you woke up. Visualize the first touch which you felt when you woke up. Visualize the faces of the people whom you saw in the morning. Visualize the happy and the beautiful faces of your family members, your roommates, whom you interacted in the morning. Visualize the yummy and delicious breakfast which you had this morning. Think of the person who prepared the delicious and the yummy breakfast who prepared. Thank the person who prepared. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them aloud. Thank those people. Think of the beautiful things which you did this morning. Think of the beautiful accomplishments which you did today. Think of your friends. Think of your colleagues whom you work today. Think of your all action plans. Think of what you did till the lunch. Think of the yummy and delicious lunch which you had. Think of every sip you had. Think of the delicious taste. Think of that yummy food. Think of the person who served you. Think of the person who prepared that yummy and delicious food for you. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank aloud. Thank them. Think of all the tasks which you accomplished today. Think of all the day's work, beautiful work which you did. Think of one thing which you learned today. Think of one thing which you tried something new today. Think of something which you tried but failed. Think of something which you tried and succeed. Think of something which made you so happy. Think of something which made you so sad. Think of something which made you proud. Think of something which made you accomplished something. Think of everything you did it. Think of everyone who are with you. Think of everything who helped you. Thank everything and everyone who made you happy today. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them loud. Think of all your accomplishments. Feel proud of it. You are one of the best and the beautiful person in this world. You are the greatest person in this world. Yes, you accomplished this day. Think of everything what you did today. Think of everything what you achieved today. Thank for yourself. Love yourself. Convey the gratitude yourself. Think of something which you want to forgive. Think of something which you want to forget. Think of something which you want to erase from today. Don't worry about all those things which you want to forgive, all those things which you want to forget, all those things which you want to erase. Just visualize the magic pen in your hand. Yes, you got the magic pen. Write it on the air. The air is there. Write everything which you want to forget. Write everything which you want to forgive. Write everything which you want to erase. The air is flowing away. It's floating like a cloud. It vanished. Yes. All those things you want to forgive, all those things you want to forget, all those things you want to erase, everything gone. Now your mind is completely filled with the positive vibes, positive feelings, positive thoughts, positive words, positive actions. Now you are a powerful person with an accomplished day. You have successfully completed this day. You are the most beautiful, the most important. You are the best and the greatest person in this world. You made it. You achieved it. Hooray! Thank yourself. Appreciate yourself. Now slowly come down to your place. Come down to your place. Come down to your place. And calm down. Take your hands, rub your palms, nicely generate the heat, feel the warmth. Make a cup shape using your palm, place it on your eyes, feel the warmth. With a high energy, take a long breath and hold for a second. And slowly release your breath and get relaxed. Release your palm. Start blinking your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face and relaxed. How do you feel? How is the day? How do you feel? So, you have successfully reflected yourself. So let me know how do you feel and how was the day, and please make sure that you finish your dinner before 2 hours of your sleep so that it will help you for the proper digestion and make a great and satisfied dreams. My dear friends, have a good sleep. Thank you. Yours, Manikanta Kamatam, a learning and volunteering coach and always expecting your mental health well-being. So your well-wisher. Thank you. Thank you for being you.
Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for finishing the reflection. Hope you had a great reflection. So let's take our palm, place it on our heart. Let us chant this resilience mantra. I will not give in to sadness.
I will not give in to sadness.
I will not let my thoughts control the way I feel.
I will not let my thoughts control the way I feel.
I will never ever give up.
I will never ever give up.
I will stay positive and work on a solution.
I will stay positive and work on a solution.
My life is great with all the positive and negative things in it.
My life is great with all the positive and negative things in it.
I allow myself to be happy no matter what.
I allow myself to be happy no matter what.
I am enough and I am complete.
I am enough and I am complete.
Thank you, friends. Since we've been projected to the mobile screen for more than 20 minutes, let's do a 20-20 principle to relax our eyes. Whenever you projected to the screen for more than 20 minutes, be it a mobile, PC, laptop, or TV, let's relax our eyes using this 20-20 principle, which is very simple and which doesn't even take more than 20 seconds time. Sit straight, focus any object apart from your digital screen, which is 20 feet to 20 meters away, and start blinking your eyes as fast as you can. While blinking your eyes, tie closely and open widely with a beautiful smile on your face. So, on count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for joining today's reflection. Hope you had a great reflection. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Doubts இல்ல சார். காலையில ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியுங்க போயிட்டு 5 நிமிஷத்துல டிஸ்சார்ஜ்.
Yeah, I waited for a longer period and someone has joined after 8:25.
ஐயோ 7:55 வரைக்கும் சரியா இருந்துச்சு. அப்புறமா வேலை செய்ய மாட்டேன்.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I waited for a longer time, but no one joined, so I just disconnected. So, ஏன்னா நான் மட்டும் தனியா இருந்து I cannot make it right. So, I can. Zoomல practice பண்ண முடியாது.
என்னங்க சார்?
Zoomல யாரும் வரல.
ஐயோ.
Oh. I just disconnected. அதுக்கப்புறம் யாரும் join பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So yeah. So tomorrow we have as usual regular sessions. So that's it. Tomorrow it's a open day, Sunday, in a 5 a.m. break. So you can ask anything related to mental health well-being. We'll have an open discussion.
Okay.
So we are planning to work on a happiness club. So we might be discussing about that also. So I'm just thinking of if you can plan it by morning itself, because it's only 30 minutes. So we'll have different kind of activities to make ourselves happy, so that we'll start our entire day with the happiness, so that the entire day would be more happy. So that is the purpose. So we'll work it out if you can have it by morning, so that 30 minutes you can spend to make yourself happy. That is the ultimate goal.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So whatever you learn, please bring in new people. It's not for myself, because even one person comes, I'll be taking the class. That's not a big problem. But even that one person comes to this session, I'm sure they are going to bring a huge difference. Take the.
நான் சில பேருக்கு சேர்த்து அவங்க அந்த டைம் செட் ஆகல ஒண்ணு அந்த ஒரு லீவ் வந்தாங்க.
That is the reason why I'm recording the videos and all and uploading in YouTube, so that எப்போ வேணாலும் அவங்க வந்து பார்க்கலாம். So that anytime they can practice. But the thing is that
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் சொன்ன ஸ்டூடெண்ட்
live la இருக்கிறதுக்கும் யூடியூப்ல பார்க்கிறதுக்கும் வித்தியாசம் இருக்கும்ல. if they have any doubt they can ask.
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு சொன்ன அவங்க யாரும் நேர போய் சொன்னா பரவாயில்ல, நாங்க போன்ல சொல்றது அவங்க அதை வைக்கிற எடுக்கிறது இல்ல.
Yeah, this is like the ultimate goal is to help the people, that's it. So those who can make use of it they can, that is it.
இப்ப நாங்க வந்து ஸ்கூல் தொடங்கினதுக்கு அப்புறமும் எங்கட வேலை வந்து சில்ட்ரன் பார்லிமெண்ட் நடத்துறது இல்ல கிரீன் ஸ்கூல் அந்த மாதிரி. அந்த டைம்ல கொஞ்ச நேரம் இவங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுக்கறதா இருந்தா எதை சொல்லி கொடுக்கலான்றது, எதை சொல்லி கொடுக்கலாம்
ஸ்கூல் பசங்களுக்கா?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
ஸ்கூல் பசங்களுக்கு we can take brain gym. brain gym அதே மாதிரி நான் வந்து if you follow my குருகுலம் thing, எங்களோட குருகுலம் வீடியோ பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஜூம்ல வந்து we are doing a life skill session தனியா. சோ குழந்தைங்களுக்காக லைஃப் ஸ்கில்ஸ் எப்படி, ஏன்னா இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் சொல்லிட்டு ஜூம்ல they are joining and they are just muting the video and audio and they are doing their own task. But I thought, okay, so this is not going to work out. So the purpose of conducting an online class is not for the sake of conducting. They should learn something. So that is the reason why, if you can see, we have a different activities. So அவங்க ஜாயின் பண்ண உடனே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா we'll have the same thing, find the differences. அவங்களுக்காக தான் ஆக்சுவலா அந்த ஆரம்பிச்சது. ஸோ லைக் ஏன்னா வந்து அவங்களோட அப்சர்வேஷன் ஸ்கில்ஸ் எவ்வளோ இதா இருக்குது, பிகாஸ் தட் இஸ் வெரி எசென்ஷியல். நாளைக்கு வீட்டுலவே ஒரு பொருளை காணோம்னா they should be in a position to identify, இங்க ஒரு பொருள் இருந்துச்சு இப்ப இல்லையே. So they should know that basic skill. ஆமா இல்லையா? நீங்களே யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, வீட்டுல டிவி இருக்கு, எடுத்துட்டீங்க, வந்து கண்டிக்காம இருந்தானா then what is the use of him, what he is observing? So we need to teach them those observation skills. சின்ன சின்ன பொருளா இருந்தாலும் சரி, பெரிய பொருளா இருந்தாலும் சரி, ask them to keep on shifting. அதுதான் I keep on telling to the parents, those who are reaching to me, daily வந்து you keep on shifting the things. Ask the kids to tell them இன்னைக்கு என்ன மாறி இருக்கு, என்ன மாறி இருக்கு, so that their observation skills will be improved a lot, their memory power will improve a lot. So இது வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. Second thing, we'll have a dance. ஏன்னா ஆரம்பத்துலவே வந்து we'll have a song and we'll have a dance. Ask them to dance because kids love to have this dance. So danceன்றது வந்து it is an auditory skills, அவங்களோட பாடி எல்லாமே வந்து இதாகும், expressions, body motions எல்லாமே இதாகும். Then we will have a collaborative drawing. ஒரு white board எடுத்துட்டு வந்து, so அதுதான் we are planning to do it in happiness club also. அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு கிரிட் கொடுத்துரும், அவங்க பேர் எழுதுருவோம், they can draw whatever they want. நாங்க சொல்ல மாட்டோம் இது டிரா பண்ணுங்கன்னு. So we'll ask them to draw whatever they want and others will tell what is the drawing is all about.
Okay.
So you are drawing one object in your own perception, but others will have a different perceptions. நான் வந்து ஒரு பறவைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் டிரா பண்ணுவா, அவங்களுக்கு அது வந்து ஃபிளைட் மாதிரி தெரியலாம், இல்ல ஒரு வீடு மாதிரி தெரியலாம். So it's a different how they are thinking. So this is a collaborative art. So அவங்களோட creativity எப்படி இருக்கு. Then we have a smiley challenge. So we'll draw a smiley. This is actually psychologyல எங்களுக்கு ஒரு experiment. Smileys கரெக்டா வரையறது, ஒரு சர்க்கிள் எப்படி வரையணும், ஒரு கண்ணெல்லாம் எப்படி வைக்கணும், these are all the things. So நீங்களும் யாராவது குழந்தைகள் இருந்தாங்கன்னா I can take such kind of sessions. It's a purely life skills தான் எல்லாமே வந்து I will not allow them to be idle. So continuous and the half an hour it will be very power packed program. So எங்குமே வந்து இது இருக்காது. They'll tell the stories, they'll build the sentences, everything. There are various kinds of activities. So that is what I will be doing. You can see that one and I'll share you that one.
Okay, sir.
You can. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.